welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Shea Moisture unboxing video. It seems like it's been a minute since I've done one of these because I know last month I think they sent 2 boxes like early in the month, so I don't know if they're going to do the same thing this month. So it kind of made it scarce for me to do anything last month at the end. Zara's kind of sleepy. Look how crusty stuff. Here, you want to put it back? So today's box is from Shea Moisture, and I have no idea what is the theme of this box, but yes, I can't wait to dig in. But before we do dig in, please click down below to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget we're trying to do our 4,000 giveaway, so please click down below and subscribe. And also share this video with someone you think that loves Shea Moisture. Are you hiding? You peekaboo? You peekaboo with it? So let's see what's in today's box. Hold on, Zara. Ooh, pretty. It's purple. Let me see, girl. Move. Oh, you just like the brown things. No, you can't eat the brown things. So this is today's box. It's pretty and purple. The first thing I think of purple is lavender, but I don't think this is lavender. This is Velvet Skin and Strength Plus Color Care Purple Rice Water for sensitive skin and all hair types. Ooh, yes, it's not lavender because I don't really like the smell of lavender too much, but I'm happy that it's not lavender. So it has purple rice water, wild orchid, and sweet violet extract in there. So ooh, and this time we still have what, 1 2 3 4 5 full-size products and one thing that I don't think it's a product, but I don't know, I can't tell yet. Zara's playing with the brown things. Hi, Zara. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is the purple rice. I'm sorry. Zara, stop. The first thing I'm gonna grab is the purple rice water velvet skin rice scrub, and this is for dry sensitive skin. This is, I think, this is a body scrub. Ooh, shall we smell? Let's smell. Kind of matched my nails, well, when they were done. Ooh, smell. Say, that smells good. Ooh, mama gonna be smelling good. This smells amazing. This smells way better than the other box. Oh, that feels nice. I mean, it's a body scrub, but you wouldn't normally do this, but oh my god. Ooh, I feel like the smell kind of reminds me of like spa lush feel. Like you just feel extra clean, really moisturized, but also just like embraced in this beautiful perfume smell. It's just amazing. Like it just feels like the smell you want to smell after you had a good spa day. Okay, so the next thing is the purple rice water strength plus color care conditioner. So this is conditioner, so if you have like colored hair, like if you, ooh, my bad, did I poke you? So if you like bleach your hair or dye your hair, or even like what's that called, pre-color your hair where it's not permanent, that's good for, this is good for that. I don't dye my hair or anything, so it smells just as good. Oh my god, this smells so good. Who develops the smells or the fragrances of Shea Moisture stuff? Zara. She just has a whole pile of brown things on the floor. Okay, the next thing is the Strength and Color Care shampoo. So once again, you got, ooh, but it's purple. It's so purple. I think I'm gonna be giving this to my mom. I think she'll love this. I know. Maybe we should give that to grandma. Grandma would love these. So the next one is some lotion, because I'm almost out of the quench and refresh lotion from the last box. So the purple rice water velvet skin body lotion, and of course it's gonna smell the same. It's not as strong as the body wash or the shampoo and conditioner. It's really light, so I guess, you know, they don't want you like smelling. You want to put some lotion on? No. I thought you were gonna rub your hands together like you always do. Look. Yeah, there you go. I thought that's what you were gonna do. Smell. Oh, it smells good. Okay, the next thing is the purple rice water velvet skin facial mask. Okay, I love this packaging. It's super pretty. Because I can smell it on my hands and stuff, I'm trying to, it's not really a strong fragrance. It's really light, but the color is pretty, and it has like a pearl-like finish on there. So I wonder how this is going to go. Let's see what this does. Give your skin a royal treatment with this creamy facial mask. Blend with purple rice water. Oh, for instantly velvety, soft, and glowing skin. And you put it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. So it gives you a nice glow. That's probably why it has like the little metallic things in there. And the last thing that's in this box, why did this box go fast? It's so much faster than last time. Oh, there's a candle. So they gave us a candle. So instead of like an accessory, like the other couple of times, we have an actual candle. Ooh, let's take that off. Look, I love candles. Ooh, this is the Tranquility. I know what it says, but I can't read it. Freaking I don't know. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'll put it down there. Ooh. That smells, it doesn't smell exactly like these products, but it has a nice calming smell. Like, oh, it smells good. It's really pretty and purple. And it's a small little candle. It's really cute. Now I wonder if they're gonna sell this, or is this just for the PR like box here? So let's see where you guys can purchase. All of this is available at Ulta. I'm trying to see. No, so I don't think the candle is actually for sale. I was just checking for you guys, but in this little book it just has all, can you hush? It has all 5 of the face and hair care body products. So yeah, so it just has all of the 5 hair, body, and skin products. Like what it does, it doesn't have anything about the candle, so I doubt that the candle is actually for sale. That's probably just a PR kind of thing. But you can get all of these things at Ulta right now, and it is bomb.com. I cannot wait. I think I might give the hair care products to my mom. Because I have a ton of hair care stuff from Shea Moisture, and I think she'll enjoy the smell and the color because purple is her favorite color. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and Zara's little antics. She's becoming quite active on videos now. So let me know if you guys have already tried this particular line from Shea Moisture and how do you like it. And go test it out at Ulta and see if you love the smell as much as I do. And I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys.